Bro, what's this taco truck, sir? I'm starving. You think the food's good here? Are you telling? Bro, Shahusan. Tate, ¿qué tacos?
Hold on 1 minute.
Brea, Polashe tacos. Khan Khom Kate. There's a pastor eat here?
I give him the worst stuff in the world. There you go, no, hold on.
Brea, what you got to serve? Asun, lamb balls and rice.
Play, Salma, rap.
Kuhama Pekyumui turkey sandwich. How is that? How's the Kuhama Pekyumui turkey sandwich?
It's good, it's good. The turkey sandwich is lasho meat. This honey roasted, this guava bacon wheat is the best. I fuck on top of your face,
Are you very certain?
You know, how the girls come here to there. You know.
I guess let me just get 4 tacos like this.
Alright, hold on 1 minute.
Bray, where's your gloves? You don't fucking wear gloves?
No, I don't, sir. It's not a
Bray, why are you wearing those glasses? Bray, where are you going? Where are you leaving for?
Hold on.